Welcome to Basic ProQuest Search. This video will look at ProQuest Research Library. We recommend starting with a basic keyword search. The main search interface allows you to limit your search to full text, peer-reviewed items, and by publication date. You can also filter by source type and document type if you're looking for a particular type of resource. The number of results is found at the top under the search box. If you need to add more keywords, you can modify your search by clicking the link on the right side of the page. The limiters are on the left side of the screen. Choosing scholarly journals will exclude other resource types. Your results will automatically update depending on the limiters you choose. There is a publication date slider if you need results within a particular time frame. You will need to click the Update button for your results to update. If you need to narrow down your results further, you can apply more filters. If you'd like to only search for articles based in a certain location, there is a location filter, and similarly, there is a language filter. There is a limiter to also search by subject. Once you find an article you want to explore, the Quick Look option will pull up the abstract and options to cite, email, save, or print the article. To look at the full document, you need to click on the title. Once in this view, next to the title are options to download a PDF, cite, email, print, or view other options. The Cite option allows you to select the style guide you're using and then copy the citation directly into your document. There are also options to export the citation to the citation manager of your choice. The email option allows you to select a ProQuest generated citation to be sent with the item. Clicking on all options will provide you with a permalink. The URL in your web browser will expire, so if you need to get back to a particular result, you need to use the permalink. On the right side of the screen, ProQuest will recommend other sources. These are not always directly related to your search terms and do not factor in the limiters applied to your search. If there is no full text for the item, there is an option to request the item via interlibrary loan. Now you can complete a basic search using ProQuest Research Library.